Judith, get in this shopping bag right now.
That's my new home.
Good job, Judith. Hold on. I'm taking this back to the store, Judith. Hold on. I have to show. Dee, this is a refund because we got ripped off this place. This is so. I'm going to return this package. Faulty item. Judith, are you in this bag?
She's like, get me out, Mama.
All right, I'm taking you back to Amazon. Come on, goodbye. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, Mr. Judith. You're out of here. Oh, you're going to try to pop out? You're going to try to pop out this bag? Judith, what are you doing in here? Boop, boop. You're so cute. Boop. Wait a minute. Oh my God, in the bag. Crazy, crazy time. Ah, it's a bag and the bird. Judith. You're so crazy, Judith. Boop. 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 Judith is gone forever, everybody. This bird is going to fly away. Oh no, it's not going to fly away. Judith made it out.